Good morning, good morning. It's Monday. The kapoy di, the tired di. So, what tayo mahimo, kundi mo duty. Baklay-baklay sa inyong amiga kay wapay, mga motor. And sayo-sayo puta nigikan karon. Sayo ko nakamata kay nagmanyanita mi ganina sa among silingan nga nagsaulog siyang 50th birthday. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. God bless. God bless. School na. Good morning.
Good morning.
Harta sa unahan maghulat o masakyan. Kay pay mga pedicab dito sa Muandool. So walking tagamay, walking. Happy Monday. And have a blessed Monday to all. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.